This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery in a Chrysler Voyager key fob. First, gather your materials. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. This common battery type is readily available at most stores. Having these items ready will make the process quick and easy, ensuring your key fob is back in working order in just a few minutes. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small notch or seam along the edge of the fob. Insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this opening. With a gentle twisting or prying motion, carefully separate the two halves of the key fob. Be patient and avoid excessive force to prevent damaging the plastic casing. It should pop open with minimal effort. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery into the slot, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one was. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Finally, take your key fob to your Chrysler Voyager and test all its functions, such as locking and unlocking the doors, to ensure everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.